What if you could wake up every morning and have your entire day perfectly planned by artificial intelligence? From when you should wake up to when to exercise, work, eat, and relax. All optimized by data, not guesswork. Sounds futuristic? Well, it's already happening. AI isn't just helping people work smarter, it's helping them live smarter. In today's world, time is the ultimate currency. Everyone wants more of it, yet most of us constantly feel like we don't have enough. Between juggling work, social life, health, and personal goals, creating a balanced daily routine can feel impossible. That's where AI steps in. Artificial intelligence has evolved far beyond chatbots and text generators. It can now act as your personal life assistant, learning your habits, predicting your needs, and helping you craft a daily schedule that fits your goals and your energy levels. In this video, we'll explore how to use AI to create your daily routine. From the tools that do it for you to the science behind how AI optimizes time management, health, and productivity. Let's dive into the future of living smarter, powered by AI. 1. Step 1. Understanding why humans struggle with routine. Before we talk about AI tools, let's understand the problem. Most people fail to maintain a daily routine not because they're lazy, but because they lack structure that adapts to real life. You might start your day with a to-do list, but then an unexpected meeting pops up. You feel mentally drained before noon. You forget to take a break. AI, however, doesn't get overwhelmed. It observes patterns, your behavior, your energy levels, even your mood, and creates flexible schedules that evolve with you. Think of it as your digital brain that knows when you're most productive and when you need rest. Something traditional time management can't do. 2. Step 2. Let AI learn about you. To create a personalized daily routine, AI needs to learn your habits. Here's how. Track your activity. Tools like Motion, Reclaim, and Rise.io analyze how you spend time online and in meetings. Monitor your health and sleep. Devices like Oura Ring, Fitbit, or Apple Watch feed data about your sleep cycles, heart rate, and energy. Analyze your tasks. Apps like Notion AI or Todoist AI examine your to-do lists and deadlines. Once it collects enough data, the AI starts identifying patterns. It might say things like, "You're most focused between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m., so let's schedule your deep work then." You lose focus after lunch, so maybe that's the perfect time for light admin tasks. Within a week, you'll notice your day feels smoother, not forced. 3rd step. 3. Let AI automate your scheduling. Here's where the magic really happens. AI-powered scheduling tools don't just plan your day, they manage it for you. Let's take Motion, for example. It automatically builds your calendar based on your tasks, meetings, and personal goals. If something changes, say a meeting gets delayed, Motion rearranges everything for you in real time. Reclaim AI goes one step further. It connects to your Google Calendar and automatically blocks time for habits like workouts, meals, and breaks, ensuring your priorities never get skipped. It's like having a personal assistant who's always one step ahead of you. You no longer waste time deciding what to do next. AI decides based on your priorities and productivity rhythm. 4th step. 4. Using AI for health and wellness routines. Creating a balanced daily routine isn't just about productivity. It's also about health. I can help you integrate wellness into your day effortlessly. Sleep optimization. Apps like Sleep Cycle AI and Oura analyze your sleep data and suggest the perfect bedtime and wake-up window for maximum recovery. Meal planning. AI tools like Lumen, Eat This Much, or Meal Genie recommend personalized meals based on your nutrition goals, daily activity, and calories burned. Exercise scheduling. Apps like ThinkBot or Aptive AI Coach design custom workout plans and fit them into your schedule automatically. In short, AI turns health management into a hands-free process, automatically adapting your day around your physical needs. 5. Step 5. Using AI to optimize focus and mental energy. Even with a perfect routine, humans aren't machines. We all experience dips in motivation and focus. AI can help here too. Apps like Rise.io and Serene analyze your digital behavior to understand when your focus is fading. They automatically block distractions, remind you to take breaks, and suggest the best time to switch tasks. Some even integrate with ChatGPT-based assistants that coach you through procrastination or burnout in real time. You're no longer guessing when to work or rest. AI helps you balance both scientifically. Step 6. AI-powered goal setting and reflection. Creating a routine is one thing. Sticking to it is another. AI tools like Notion AI, ClickUpBrain, and Friday.app. Don't just plan your tasks, they help you reflect on them. Every week, these apps can generate automated insights such as, you achieved 80% of your goals this week. Most of your deep work was interrupted between 2 and 4 p.m. Consider blocking your mornings for creativity. This data-driven feedback helps you improve continuously. It's like having a personal coach who tracks your habits, finds your weaknesses, and helps you build consistency. Step 7. Combining AI tools for a complete routine. Now let's combine everything into one simple system. Use Reclaim AI for automatic scheduling. Integrate Notion AI for goal tracking. Add Rise.io for productivity analytics. Connect Aura or Fitbit for health data. Sync all with Google Calendar or Apple Calendar for a central hub. The result? A living, breathing daily routine that updates itself in real time, adapting to your life, not the other way around. You can even use ChatGPT or Claude AI as your personal life strategist. Just prompt it with something like, design a daily routine for me based on 8 hours of work, 1 hour of gym, and 7 hours of sleep. It'll instantly create a time-blocked schedule that fits your preferences. And you can keep refining it through simple conversations. 8. The psychology behind AI-powered routines. Why do AI-generated routines work so well? Because humans are emotional, and AI is logical. We often let moods decide our schedule. I don't feel like working right now. Maybe I'll skip the gym today. AI doesn't rely on motivation. It relies on data. It builds a consistent rhythm based on your biological and behavioral patterns, helping you stick to habits without mental fatigue. Over time, this consistency compounds, leading to better productivity, health, and happiness. In essence, AI helps remove decision fatigue. You stop wasting energy on deciding what to do, and instead focus on actually doing it. The truth is, AI isn't here to control your life. It's here to help you master it. We're entering a new era where your daily routine can literally be co-created by technology, one that learns your habits, supports your goals, and keeps you accountable. Whether you're a student trying to balance studies, an entrepreneur building a business, or just someone looking to find more time in your day, AI can help you design a lifestyle that works for you, not against you. Because at the end of the day, success isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters most, efficiently. And with AI by your side, that future is already here. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights on how to use AI to optimize your work, money, and life. The future belongs to those who work with AI, not against it. So start today and let AI organize your life for good.